there, and welcome to our new content delivery and order management platform. The goal of this video tutorial is to guide you through the key elements of the new system, such as updating your user details, all the way through to downloading your delivered media. The first thing you'll want to do when you access your customer portal is update your user details. So we'll go ahead and simply navigate to User Details under the Personal Settings section on the left-hand side of your screen. From here, you'll be able to confirm your contact information, upload a headshot, and customize branding details that will display on your property websites, as well as reset your password if needed. Next, we'll go ahead and navigate to our Listing Center. This is where we can easily view all of our past content that has been delivered by our team. We'll go ahead and open up the first listing. From here, there's quite a few details that you'll have access to. You can update the property details within the Property Details section. The information entered here will automatically display on your property websites. Next, we'll take a look at our Images section. This is where you can view the photos included in this listing. If you'd like to change the order the photos display in on the property website, you can simply update this by clicking Rearrange and dragging and dropping the photos in the desired order. The next section we'll take a look at is the Property Website section. We provide both a branded and an unbranded version of the property site for various purposes. To customize the property website, you can select Edit on the right-hand side, which will bring you into our Property Website Editor page. From here, you will have full ability to customize the theme, change the colors, rearrange the order that the sections display in, and so much more. You can even change the hero image from a static photo to a full slideshow of all the images included in the listing. Each section within the editor can be expanded to provide additional customization settings. An important aspect of your content delivery is, of course, downloading the content to your device. To begin your download, simply click the Download button in the top right corner of the listing. From there, you can either select to download all of the media included within the listing, or select which specific content you'd like to download. For additional downloading features, you can also visit the Download Center for this listing. The Download Center will allow you to fully preview your content in one location, download individual photos, or set a custom download size if needed. The next section we'll take a look at is our Orders Center, which will house all of your current and past orders that you have placed. So we'll go ahead and select an order. From here, you can easily view the product and payment summary of the order, confirm your appointment details, or download a PDF version of your invoice to keep for your records. Next, we'll take a quick look into our Lead Center. This is where any leads collected from the contact form built into your property websites will be located. When someone accesses your property website, fills out the contact form, we will notify you by email of the new lead and then store all of those details right here in your customer portal. Another setting located in your team settings is your Social Profile Link Center. Selecting that button will take you to a short page where you can input all of your social media profile links. Inputting your social media links on this page will automatically add social media buttons to your property websites that visitors can easily click to access your various profiles. The last section we'll go over today is your Teams page. This is where you can invite team members to join your account. Team members will have full access to view and manage your orders, listings, and other aspects of your account. To add a team member, simply click the Add Team Member button in the top right corner of your screen, input their information, and click Create. Your team member will then receive an email invitation to set their password and join your team. This is a great feature if you have a team admin, a marketing assistant, or anyone else who you would like to have full access to your account. From any section of your account, you'll always have direct access to our Place Order button. This will take you directly to our order form right within your account so you can schedule your next appointment with our team. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we'd be happy to point you in the right direction.